Huh, I'm getting patient. You're not allowed to come in here.
Give me all your money.
Oh God! You're shot at. Get down! Get down! Screw the money! Screw the money! Get down! We've been set up. Oh crap! Yo, we have to crawl to the floor somehow. No, we're not. Oh! No! No, pick it back up! Hurry! Pick it back up! Put it up against the wall! Push it! Push it!
There, go.
No, push it all the way up against the wall!
What wall?
That wall! Push! Ready? Push! Go! Oh, God. Ready? Push! Ready?
Yep.
Push! Ready? Push! Good, good. Get over the wall. Go get that little piece of plywood. Get it! Where is he? Who is it? Don't start doing that. Yeah, like, hey, no. Ready?
I can't see, my mask is blurry again.
Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay down. Keep the watch. Keep the watch. Keep the watch. Here. Use that to block it.
I'll keep it off till he gets close.
Here. Use your shotgun. It'll be easier.
I can't see nothing.
Well, I need some help. Get over here. Help. Get this ladder out. Move it. Move it.
Cover me.
John, I don't know where he's at.
Just keep a watch out. I can't get the ladder out. It's stuck.
All right, move that green ladder. Move it. I got your back. Go. Go, go.
Cover me now.
Look at the
The ladder's moved. Come on. Cover me. I need clear.
All right, come on. Hurry, move it. Move it.
Hold on, clear my gun.
All right.
Alright. Where was this go?
Move it. Move it. Hurry, come on. We need to get to the floor.
Can't get out. Can't fit through here.
Just move the ladder. You don't have to. I got contact! I got contact! Get down! He's shot?
Where is it? Where is it?
He's over there by the house.
Give me that big gun. I'll cover
No. Get off. Come on. Look through the cracks. Watch your back, though.
I cannot see him.
Sucker's gonna die. Alright, so ready?
No.
Pop out. Look, come on. Point. Look over that tree house. Somewhere over there. Or he's on this side. You better.
I don't see him.
Oh!
Oh! Get down! Get down!
I see him. I see him.
Where is he?
He's right next to that tree. I get him. I got him. No, stop. Stop doing that. You gotta eat.
You're lucky.
I think I overshot him. Reloading.
We're getting me out a little too hard here.
Crap, it won't shoot. It won't shoot. It's not reloading.
Where Where is he?
Where's that book bag at? I need it.
It's under there.
No, the other one. The camo one.
I don't know. I don't see it in here.
Cause it's not in here.
Where is it?
Alright, start moving that ladder again. I got you.
Sure.
Yes. Hurry, watch your back.
I have problems up here. The ladder is stuck.
We'll just keep on moving it. You're good.
I can't get on the roof. They're stuck.
Just do it. Come on. I got you. I see him. He's crawling. No, no, no. Gone. We're done. I'm dead. My gun's dead. Time out! Time out!
T!
Time out! Time out! No, time out!
Time out!
Time out! My gun's dead!
Hold on! I see him. I got a clear shot on him.
Shoot him! What are you doing? My gun's about to be dead! Crap! Shoot! What are you
I
doing?
lost him.
How do you lose him, you dummy? He's really close, dude. Put your mask down. Are you dumb? He's sitting right in front of us and you got your mask up. He's moving closer. He's lost his dead.
I got a pin! I got a pin! Move, move, move!
No, you don't. He's right in that. That's that blue thing.
Ah! Nailed my hand.
Surrender! I surrender! Surrender! Surrender!
Put your guns down.
Well, safety and everything. Freaking gun died. And then it started to... He's robbing us!
Get him! Get the guns! Get the guns!
Go, give me my gun. Go, get him! Let's go! He's robbing us. Come on, let's move. Go, go, move out. Go move. Go.
Where?
Find him. God. Shut up. Be quiet. Stay there. All right, let's go, let's go. Come on. I got behind that black mulch. Stay down. Come on, don't aim the same place. He's in the truck. Check in the truck. Check in the truck. I got your back. You look out. Oh, yo, no! No, it's a setup. He's over there. He's over there. He's over there. By the horse pasture. He's about to come at us. Get back. He's about to start aiming and shooting. He's going to peek out in a minute.
You recording this?
Stop. Watch her back. Watch her back. Watch my back. Stay looking. Don't stop. Come on. What are you doing? Get her back. He's under. All right, come on. He's under the van.
He's under what?
The van.
Sam.
No, duh. All right, he's coming up the other side.
Reload, come.
I think it's gonna go run for it. Might want to put that on auto. Right. Alright, you watch her back. Watch my back. Come on, put your mask on, you dummy. You move out over there. Get in front of the house. Never mind. Stay over here. Stay over here. He's gonna be on top of the van. He's gonna be on top. Get over there. Come on. He's gonna be on top of the van. No, he's sitting down. On top of the van. He's gonna peek up again. Come on, stay up. He's moving. He's shooting. What are you doing? He's on the other side of the van. Move up. Follow the truck. Come on, go. You move up. I got your back. He's gonna be in between he's in between the van. Oh crap, wait! I'm done. I surrender. My gun's completely dead. Come on, stop.